Introducing the Wise Owl Outfitters Single Owl and Double Owl Hammock. Our hammocks are made of the highest quality materials. Although the nylon is very strong and can hold up to 500 pounds, it remains very soft. Similar to bed sheets, the higher the thread count, the softer the sheet. We use a silky smooth 210T nylon fabric for these hammocks, and our seams are stitched with triple interlocking stitching for ultimate security. You also have an attached bag that doubles as a storage pocket while inside your hammock. These hammocks come with two 8-foot nylon ropes, so you can hang your hammock up without any other equipment. When you first get your hammock, we recommend tying some knots in the ropes so that you can quickly hang your hammock when you're ready to. To set up your hammock, find 2 trees, approximately 11 to 13 feet apart. You're going to wrap the rope around the first tree. Put one end through the loop on the other end of the rope. Do the same on the other tree. Then grab your hammock and clip one carabiner to the end of the rope. Repeat on the other end. If your hammock is hanging too low, you can wrap the rope around the tree more than once, or you can tie another knot in the rope to allow for another connection point. Last option is you can adjust the ropes higher or lower on the tree for an adjustment as well. Once your hammock is attached, you'll want to clear the area below it so there are no sticks or anything sharp. You also want to ensure that it is hanging at about 18 inches from the ground to easily get in and out of your hammock. Before you jump in, please test the connections and the setup by pushing down on the hammock with a lot of pressure and pulling at the straps on the trees. Best way to enter your hammock is stand in front of it and open it behind you. Sit down and then swivel to the side. The most comfortable way to lie in your hammock will be at an angle. The single owl is great for one person, and the double owl is perfect for 2 people or one person who wants a little more space. The single is 9 feet long by 4.5 feet wide, and the double is 10 feet long by 6.5 feet wide. If you want more flexibility to be able to use trees that are farther away, or if you don't want to tie any knots, then you can purchase our Wise Owl Talon hammock straps. They're 20 feet long combined and allow for many adjustments. We are Wise Owl Outfitters. Years ago, we set out to make an awesome, high-quality hammock at a reasonable price. Since our first hammock, we've expanded our product line to include many useful and eye-catching products under the Wise Owl brand. We're located in the beautiful state of Tennessee and take great pride in being a U.S. company. We strive every day to improve our design, technology, and processes to offer the best and most useful outdoor gear and products possible. We hope our gear can give you a reason to get outside and enjoy
Link OF the product in the description of this video and in the first comment. Subscribe to this channel to know the information of the best Amazon and AliExpress products. Vont 2-pack LED camping lantern, super bright portable lanterns, must have during hurricanes, emergencies, storms, outages. Original patented collapsible camping light/lamp, includes batteries. Link OF the product in the description of this video and in the first comment. Subscribe to this channel to know the information of the best Amazon and AliExpress products.
Today we are going to be taking a look at some of the awesome features of the SUPERDANNY vertical power strip. The vertical space-saving design makes this power strip perfect for your desk, office, or just around your house for everyday use. One of the features that really sets this power strip apart from the competition is the double layer of USB power ports. Each of these comes equipped with 2.1 amps per port for 4.2 amps total. This is plenty to charge multiple devices at the same time. A 10 amp breaker switch located on the bottom of the device protects both you and your devices. PC ABS plastic makes this power strip both safer and more durable. It is fireproof, certified to UL V0 standards. One of the features that I really love that SUPERDANNY implemented into their design is a retractable power cord. It's really easy to adjust for whatever length you need. All you have to do is spin the tower. An integrated copper structure makes so that each of the plugs will last around 10,000 times of being plugged in and out. With the 3,000 watt maximum rated capacity, this will certainly meet all of your energy needs. Let's take a look at how we got that number. By using the formula P equals UI, where P is power in watts, U is voltage, and I is the current in amps, you can quickly find how you get to 3,000 watts. If you live in a country where power is rated at 240 volts, we know that you take 240 RU and multiply it by our I, 13 amps, which gives you a total of 3,120 watts. Now, due to power loss in physics, this comes down to around 3,000 watts in reality. In the United States, where voltage is standard at 120, you end up with 1,560 watts of usable power. This is still plenty of power for most uses. The SUPERDANNY Tower Power Strip adapts to any voltage from 110 all the way up to 240 volts, so you'll be set no matter where you live. Additional features that are included in the design are power buttons that help you to control which layers have power at the current time. Each of these have green indicator lights to help you know if they are on or off. Additionally, a handle has been incorporated into the design for your convenience. 3, 4, and 5 tiered options, the SUPERDANNY Tower Power Strip is just what you're looking for. So don't miss out.
Link the product in the description of this video and in the first comment. Subscribe to this channel to know the information of the best Amazon and AliExpress products. Pop-up design and amp. Portability, pops up and folds down in seconds. No assembly required. Ultra lightweight construction allows for easy transportation with included carrying bag. Link the product in the description of this video and in the first comment. Subscribe to this channel to know the information of the best Amazon and AliExpress products.